Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and selecting Biometrics and Security. This takes you to all biometric options. Authenticate with your PIN, pattern, or password so the phone confirms it's you. Once done, choose Face Recognition to see the saved face data and related options. You're doing this because removing face data prevents facial unlock and improves privacy. Keep the device unlocked long enough to complete the removal steps without interruption. You now tap the listed face profile and choose Remove or Delete. The system will ask you to confirm, so read the warning and accept it. Once confirmed, make sure to check complementary settings like Fast Unlock or Auto Unlock and disable them too, because they can still allow quick access. If you have multiple users or work profiles, repeat the removal for each profile. This ensures every stored face template is cleared across the device. Finish by restarting the phone to clear cached biometric sessions and ensure changes take effect. This step also helps any security modules refresh. After the reboot, try to unlock with your face. If everything worked, Face Unlock will fail and you'll need your PIN, pattern, or password. If the face still unlocks, go back to Biometrics, perform a biometrics reset, or check for a system update. In rare cases, a factory reset may be required, but try.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.